Hey, have you ever walked out of a meeting and thought, man, I could have done that better, or that meeting was a total waste of my time? I do a lot of meetings and I facilitate meetings, and my inner debriefing monologue is always asking those questions. What could I have done better? And for those facilitating meetings, it can feel like a real high wire act. But what if I told you the secret to better outcomes lies in feedback? Not just hearing it, but leveraging it like a pro. Stick around today because we are diving into 3 game changing tips to make your facilitation and running meetings your superpower. Hey, I'm Meyer with the MindFlow Cycle, where we help leaders unlock peak performance through effective time management and focus techniques for you and your team. So, what's the deal with feedback? The underrated yet essential tool for facilitators who want to run uber effective meetings. Well, by the end of this video, you'll be able to walk away with 3 practical tips to turn feedback into actionable insights to improve your facilitation and outcomes. And if you want even more, I'll tell you where to find the full list of strategies later in the video. Key tip number 1, seek feedback with intentionality. So first up, don't wait for feedback to come to you. Ask for it with purpose, whether it's through post-session surveys, quick check-ins, or anonymous forms. The key is to ask the right questions. Instead of how did I do, try what could I do differently to make this session more valuable for you. This moves the focus from you to your participants, and that's where the gold lies. Key tip number 2, identify patterns, not outliers. Not all feedback is created equal. It's easy to fixate on one critical comment, but the real value lies in identifying patterns. Are multiple people saying the session felt rushed? Did several participants struggle with activities? By focusing on recurring themes, you can prioritize changes that will have the biggest impact. Tip number 3, don't just collect feedback, act on it and let your participants know. This is how you close the loop, by sharing the improvements or changes you're making based on their input. For example, you told me that we need more interactive exercises, so I added 2 new activities to today's session. When people see that their voice matters, they'll be more engaged and your facilitation outcomes will explode. Want to know the rest of the strategies to supercharge your facilitation skills? Head over to my website. It's on the screen, where I've outlined the full list of tips to make every session your best yet. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like and subscribe, and check out more of our videos on our channel. Let's keep growing together. We'll see you next time.